Namaskar, my dear students. In the dental materials section, today we will be discussing a very important topic, impression materials. A topic which you will find in your theory exam, then in the spotters and also in the grand viva. In this video, we will be discussing the classification part. So let's begin. What is an impression? A dental impression is a negative replica of the hard and soft oral tissues. It is used to reproduce the form of the teeth and the surrounding tissues of the oral cavity. Why we need an impression? We want to make an imprint or the negative reproduction of the tissues. Then we fill it or pour it with the gypsum product. And finally we get the positive reproduction of the oral tissues, which is called as cast. Now let us discuss the classification. Impression materials can be classified on the basis of setting and elasticity. Based on the mode of setting, they set by chemical reaction or they set by temperature change. The materials which set by chemical reaction will be irreversible in nature, while the materials which set by temperature change or physical change will be reversible. If we see the vertical columns, the materials can be rigid or elastic. The rigid materials will not be able to record the undercut areas, so they will be used for edentulous cases, while the elastic materials will be used for the dentulous cases. Now let us discuss the materials which set by chemical reaction. Impression plaster is a rigid material which sets by dissolution precipitation and forms calcium sulfate dihydrate. Zinc oxide eugenol paste, it sets by chelation. It is a chemical reaction which forms a chelate called zinc oxide eugenolate. Alginate is an elastic material which sets by a chemical reaction and forms insoluble calcium alginate. The reaction is gelation. All the elastomers, polysulfide, silicon and polyether, they are the elastic materials which set by polymerization. Now the materials which set by physical change or the temperature change. The set material, when the temperature is increased or they are immersed in hot water, they form a workable form with great flow. They can be loaded onto the tray, and when the temperature is decreased, again they form a set material. In this we have the materials like impression compound and waxes in the rigid category, and agar hydrocolloid, which is an elastic material and sets by temperature change. Now, based on the elasticity, the impression materials can be non-elastic and elastic. The non-elastic materials are the rigid materials which are only used for edentulous patients having no or shallow undercuts, while the elastic materials are used for both edentulous and dentate patients having the undercuts. Now in the non-elastic materials, we have four materials: impression plaster, impression compound, impression waxes and zinc oxide eugenol impression paste. Impression plaster is a rigid material. It is used for making secondary impressions in special trays. It is also used for making special impressions like window impression used for flabby ridges. Impression compound. It is available in cake form. When immersed in hot water, it reaches a workable state and can be molded and loaded onto the tray. It is used for making primary impressions in complete denture. Impression waxes are the mouth temperature waxes. They are used for making the impressions of the edentulous cases. They are also used for correcting the impressions. Zinc oxide eugenol impression paste are available in two paste form. When the two paste base and the catalyst are mixed, they form a homogeneous mass. They are used for recording the secondary impressions in complete denture. In the elastic materials, we have first the aqueous hydrocolloids. They are the water-based hydrocolloid materials. In this, we have two materials, agar and alginate. Agar is a material. In this, the gelation takes place by a physical change. It needs a special equipment called as the conditioning unit and the water-cooled impression trays. Because of this, it is less often used as impression material, but it is commonly used as a cast duplicating material. Alginate is a material which sets by a chemical change, so it is irreversible. It is the most common impression material used in the clinic. It is used for both the dentulous and the edentulous cases. In the elastic materials, the second category is non-aqueous elastomers. They are the rubber-like polymers which show an elastic behavior. In this, we have polysulfide, silicones, and polyether. Polysulfide are the materials which set by condensation polymerization reaction. The byproduct released is water. It is inaccurate due to the shrinkage which is present. It also has bad odor and lead dioxide which is toxic in nature. So it is replaced by other products. In the silicon, the condensation silicon, it sets by condensation polymerization. The reaction byproduct is ethyl alcohol. It is a volatile alcohol byproduct. It is inaccurate due to shrinkage, though it is used for making FPD impressions. Then we have the addition silicon. They are highly accurate with high dimensional stability materials. They set by addition polymerization with no byproduct released. Though they are expensive and they are used for making FPD impressions. Polyether are the materials which set by ring opening addition polymerization reaction. They don't give any byproduct. They are rigid materials and used for making implant impressions. Impression materials can also be classified based on viscosity. Viscosity is resistance to flow. Impression materials can be of high viscosity, medium viscosity, and low viscosity. Materials with high viscosity has very less flow. In this we have impression compound and putty elastomers. The base and the catalyst of the putty elastomers can be kneaded and then they are loaded onto the tray to make the impression. In the medium viscosity we have the regular body elastomers. They are available in two tube system. Then we have low viscosity which have very high flow. In this we have impression plaster, impression paste, hydrocolloids and light body elastomers. They are either available in toothpaste form or in cartridge with a mixing tip. They are used to make the wash impressions in the special trays. So that's all for today. Please like and share the video. You can give your topics in the comment section. Do subscribe for more learning. Wish you success.